everyone, I'm gonna make pancit noodles without meat. No meat, only vegetable. And this is the one my ingredients. I have soy sauce, sea salt, peppers, and oyster sauce. And this is the kind I'm gonna make this. We bought this in Asian store and in Global. So that's it, guys. Alright, I'm gonna start cooking. Have a nice day and God bless everyone. What we need to do is to soak the pancit noodles. We need to soak this to be softened until the noodles is soft. I mean, like, how to say this? Tender, like tender. So this is so hard. While I'm soaking the noodles, I'm gonna saute the vegetable. This is what one I did. This is the ginger, garlic, and the onion. Cover a little bit. Then I'm gonna put the carrots. Cover it. Okay, we need to open it. Make sure we're not cooking too much, just like half cook. And I'm gonna put a little bit of 1/4 of the boiling cubes. Then the green peppers and the red peppers. This is a lot of vegetable because I make a lot of pancit and without meat. Okay, sweetie, thank you. Put some seasoning, black pepper, salt, yummy now. And then the last is the cabbage. This is a lot of cabbage, I guess. Okay. Alright. This is it, guys. You don't cook too much. Because we're gonna put this in the pancit. And then you need to transfer this in other bowl. Okay. Here we go. See, if this is already just like this, see that? That's enough. At least they are softened. So we're gonna strain. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna make the sauce for the pancit. I use 3 cups of water. Okay, it's bubbling now. So I'm gonna put the boiling cubes, 1.5. Put in there for seasoning because we have no meat. And I forgot, guys. Sorry about that. I need a fish sauce. Just a little bit. Then 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. Oyster sauce. Okay, hold on. I don't want to wasting this. One teaspoon. It's up to you. When you taste it, if it's not enough, just add more. Black pepper. You know, pancit is good, a lot of black pepper. We'll see. It tastes good now. A little pot of sprinkle the salt. One more thing. I sprinkle a little sugar. I'm gonna take out some of water here, just in case if this is too much. And then later, if they are not enough, I add more. At least they already seasoning. Just like this. So, that's the one. Now, here we go. I'm gonna put the noodles. Here comes the noodles. See that? That's watery. So that's why we need to take out some. Okay, I'm gonna cover. Make sure it's cooked. Okay. Yes, it's the time to put the vegetable. There we go. Okay. Now this is the time you test if the taste good or not. Fine for me. If you want more salt, put salt. But I need to put a little bit of soy sauce to become like a color. That's it. Because it's like white, see? By the way, you need to turn off the stove before you're doing this now, so that it will not overcook. And put the black pepper. Good for the black pepper. That's it, guys. I'm done. Where is my spoon? Okay. Yeah, so the one that you separate the water, you don't need that because they're fine. I'm just doing that just in case, because sometimes it's so hot, it's so dry, so I put a little bit. Alright. It's good. Nice.